starting Green Dog, our objective was that when the owner and the client came into the building, it was a different experience for them. When we moved to Venice Beach, the environment here in this area is open to eclectic. It's matched everything that we wanted for the company. And now we're opening up hospitals around LA in different areas with the same mindset, with the same objective, which is a client-first objective, where the clients come in and they feel great, the pets feel great, the staff feel great, and in that we practice great medicine. I've been with ezyVet for over 10 years. And when I first reached out to ezyVet, they were very open to our ideas that we brought in. And what we found with them is that throughout the whole process, they've been such a great company to work for from a customer service perspective. Every time we call, somebody's there for us. They always call us back. They figure out the problems for us when we're there on the spot. You can't buy that kind of service. That's something that they do because you could tell that they are a homegrown company and they've cared for it from the start. And that's something that we kind of see ourselves very similar to ezyVet in that way with Green Dog.
One thing that I use heavily on a daily basis are my memos. Especially with us having multiple locations, I need a good way to communicate about all of our clients, all of our patients, and I need a fast way to do that. So I have these memos that give me that access to another location's department so I can have the answers that I need in order to solve the issues that I need to solve. Honestly, I love how personalized the patient profiles are. I love having their little picture on there. You can also notate behavior as well. So that's something that we use heavily, whether that's to identify that they're a little bit anxious when they come in or a little bit fearful, like a fearful biter. You go to their profile and you have so much information. For me, I have to have a full picture on every situation, whether it's for the client or for the patient. And so going to that purple tab and having everything so readily accessible, whether it's the communication, their soap notes, their imaging, any attachments, I find that so useful in order for me to accomplish what I do from a managerial side.
What I always tell my customers is that prevention is the most important thing. You know, we really preach here non-invasive techniques. So I love diagnostic imaging. If we can detect things early, then at that stage, before they start showing signs of illness, then we can extend their lives at the end. That's one of the reasons why it's so important for us to do lab work every 6 to 12 months and track trends in that lab work. And that's one of the beautiful things about VetConnect Plus and IDEXX as far as what they can do for us is that they have this big range of diagnostics that is able to be done in the hospital. And the great thing is that with the software itself, it all gets uploaded onto the patient file on ezyVet. And we could see it all in one place. And that's one of the main reasons why we use them and will continue to use them.